Hello my dear children, welcome back to our maths class. Let us begin with a silent prayer. Okay, as we just completed our 9th lesson, perimeter and area, and I hope you have gone through the topics and understood the things. Today, let us discuss some questions from the same lesson, that is perimeter and area. Let us discuss the statement questions from this lesson. For that, all of you take your textbook, page number 159. 159. There are some questions to find out perimeter and area of different shapes. That is only two shapes, square and rectangle. In the previous classes, we learned how to find out perimeter and area of a rectangle and a square. If length and breadth is given, we can find out the perimeter and area of a rectangle shape. Then, if one of the side is given, we are also able to find out the perimeter and area of a square. Same thing, if the questions are given in statement way, how will you find out it? Very easy topic. Let us discuss together. For that, all of you take your textbook and have a rough book and pen with you. Okay, so take page number 159, exercise 9.6. The first question, all of you. Amir bought a carpet which is 5 meter long and 4 meter broad. Okay, I hope you understood. Amir bought a carpet. And the length and breadth of this carpet is given such as 5 meter long and 4 meter broad. That is information given. And what do we have to do? Find the area and perimeter of the carpet. That's the first question. So, first question. After reading the question, I hope you understood what it is given. Okay. So, no need of exact statement here. You can write it as like this. Length. Length is equal to 5 meter. Write this one. Then breadth. What it is given that you can write it. 4 meter. See here the unit of measurement is in meter. So, length of the carpet is 5 meter. Breadth is 4 meter. So, we understood it is rectangle shaped since breadth and length is given. Okay. So, how will you find out? The question is you have to find out the perimeter and the area. First, let us find out the perimeter. So, first thing what you have to do? Write down the given information. Length and breadth is given. So, write perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Write the equation first. Then, equal to just below this equal to. Write 2 as it is. Now, you cannot do anything with the 2. In bracket. Instead of L, that is 5. Plus, instead of breadth, B, it is 4. Okay, next step. See how many steps? First step is equation. Second step is we are giving 5 and 4 for length and breadth. Next step 2 as it is. Okay, see the bracket means it is multiplication into. Okay, so put it like this. Then first you have to add this. 5 plus 4 is 9. Next step, multiply these two. 2 into 9 is 18. 2 9s are 18. What is the measurement unit given? Meter. So, write meter. So, answer is 18 meter. That is perimeter. Then, come to area. They asked us to find out both perimeter and area. So, area is equal to L into B. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So, just below this, L is again 5. Then B is 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Okay. So, while writing the measurement unit, be careful. If it is area, you should write square meter. Okay. Square means it is unit. Because we are multiplying this 5 meter and 4 meter, we will get meter square. That's why we have written square meter. It will be understood for you later. Now, for time being, the measurement unit is square meter. Okay, because it is 5 meter into 4 meter. 2 units meter. Meter into meter, that is square meter. That's why we have written 20 square meter. Okay, this is a very simple thing. If length and breadth is given, you should understand it is rectangle. They will not mention you it is rectangle shape. You should understand it. Okay, then we know the equation, that is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here area is equal to L into B. Okay, substitute the given values for the length and breadth. Then do the calculation. You will get it. I hope you understood. Okay. Shall we move to second question? Sneha wanted to make a lawn of 15 meter in length and 8 meter in breadth. What will be the area and perimeter of the lawn? Okay, so how will you find out? Here also length and breadth is given. So we understood that it is a rectangle shaped lawn. So we have to find out the perimeter and rectangle the same way. So what do we have to do? All of you do along with me. First you have to write question number 2. Okay, length is equal to, how much it is given? So all of you write in your rough book. Yeah, length is equal to 15 meter. Then breadth is equal to 8 meter. Okay, so perimeter and area. See, that's perimeter is equal to 2 into, write the equation first, okay. After that, instead of L, you write 15 plus, instead of B, you write 8. Again, 2 into 15 plus 8. How much you will get? 23. Then multiply 23 into 2. Do the multiplication in the working column. 3 into 2, 6. 2 to the 4. 46 meter. Okay. Here, come to area. L is 15. Then breadth is 8. Here it is plus. Okay. Here it is multiplication. So multiply it. 8 5s are 40. You will get 4. Then 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 120 square meter. Okay. You will get the answer as perimeter is 46 meter. Perimeter means what? The total length. Okay. All the 4 sides we add, we will get 46 meter. Then area is equal to length into breadth 120 square meter. I hope you can do it. Third question of you. Listen. Read along with me. Annie was planning a new library. The room would be 25 meter long and 15 meter broad. Find its area and perimeter. She is going to make a library room of length and breadth is given. Same way you have to write it. Length is equal to, how much it is? All of you do it. Length is equal to 25. Length is equal to 25. Then breadth is equal to 15. Breadth is equal to 15 meter. Okay, I am not going to do, you have to do it. Okay. Then perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now itself you have to do it. 2 into, yes, instead of 15, length, that is 25 and 15. First you have to add it, then multiply and find out the perimeter. Same way, length into breadth. Length is 25, breadth is 15. Multiply 25 into 15, you will get the area. While writing the answer, you don't forget to write that square meter. Okay, I hope you have done it. Yes. Then the fourth question. Preetha wanted to make her swimming pool with dimensions 8 meter by 4 meter. Find the area and perimeter of the pool. Same way, they have just made a statement different way. That's all. Same thing, breadth and length is given. You have to do it the same way. Okay. The next one, that I hope you will do it. Yes. Fifth one, the playing field in front of the school was 28 meter long and 15 meter broad. Find the area and perimeter of the field. That also same way, it also given the length and breadth is given and it is understood that it is rectangle. So you should use this equations or formulas for finding out perimeter and the area. Okay, what is the equation to find out perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus V. What is the equation for finding area of a rectangle? L into V. Okay, before writing the equation, you have to write and keep how much length is given. What is the breadth? Both you have to write, then start doing the calculation. It will be very easy for you. Okay, so all these questions, 5 questions you have to do in your rough book. No need to copy to your notebook. Okay, just do it and practice it. Yes, it will be very easy. 5 questions also belong to rectangle shape. Okay, so let us discuss one question from area. For that, please take your page number 161. Last question, D. The side of a square-shaped park is 20 meter. Find the perimeter and area of the park. It's clearly mentioned the park is square-shaped, and also it is given only one side measurement. So it is understood that it is a square shape. So how will you find out the perimeter and area of a square? So same way, question number D. Write first the side is equal to how much it is given? 20 meter. Okay, side is equal to 20 meter. Since only one it is given, we understood that it is square shaped. And also in this question they have mentioned it is square. Okay, so side is equal to 20 meter. Here in square shape, only one side is enough for us to calculate the perimeter and the area. So side is equal to 20 meter because all other sides are same. Yes, then what is the equation to find out the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. So 4 into side. How much side is? 20. So write, multiply it, you will get 80 meter. So perimeter of this park is 80 meter. Perimeter means total length around the park. Okay. Then area. Area of a square is equal to, how will you find out? Area of a square is equal to side into side. In rectangle it is length into breadth because length and breadth are different. Here all the sides are same, so side into side. Side is 20 into 20. So how much you will get? 400 square meter. Since it is given in meter, we also should write in meter. So it is 400 square meter. It is the area of this park. Okay, this is the way we can find out the perimeter and the area of a square. For the square, it will be given only one side. In the case of rectangle, length and breadth will be given. We have to use the formula to find out perimeter and the area of a rectangle. And using this equation or formula, we can also find out the perimeter and area of square also. I hope you understood. Do these questions on your book. Okay, so it will be clear for you. If you have doubts, you can call me and clear your doubts. Okay, don't keep as it is. Okay, so thank you. God bless you.